Hello, this is Skate Doc. Going to do a little review on the Crosman P10. It's a BB gun. I put 19 BBs in the little clip here so that it works right. I think it says 20 somewhere, but it just doesn't seem to work right. Put the clip in. And back release. Give it a tiny shake. It's a little dry. We have safety on the side. Fire. Gets a little resistance. Safety. No resistance. It actually works. Okay. So I'm going to have to use both hands and take this off here. Take the slide cover off. Be sure you put that back on right. When you do put that back on, you don't want to mess it up. We're gonna put just a little bit of synthetic grease right on the top there. Not too much. I don't know what too much grease is gonna do in there except foul it up. It ain't gonna make it work any better. So a little bit for the function of the gun. Going to begin to twist. And I heard a little hiss. And turning the cover. So, it seemed to go well. Now, let's load those BBs. This is kind of a little mechanism. You pull it back and kind of push it down to make sure it stays. I'm going to fill this up with BBs here. Okay. Alright, so we managed to pull that off. And I got about 18 BBs in there. I'm just going to load it up. And let's go out to the garage. And let's fire this puppy. Safety off. And commence the firing. I'm firing through the camera, but one-handed, I managed to get the little center pretty good. A couple low ones, but that was one-handed while filming. This gun's super accurate. Anyone that just doesn't know how to shoot a handgun is not going to be very accurate with this. I think it's worth $30. So you might too if you just want a BB gun that shoots when you want it to. It's been fairly good for me. So, alright you guys, I'm going to do a review on my Desert Eagle. Maybe I'll get the two together and compare. It's like the biggest dog and the littlest dog where one of the littlest dogs meet each other on the sidewalk. It's a little bit different size-wise, but I like them both. It's the only two BB guns I have, actually. The Desert Eagle's a pellet. So, with that, I give you a thumbs up on the P10 Crosman Phantom. As long as you paint some sights or get a red dot, you'll be able to aim probably better than I did. Alright, you guys. Skate duck.